All right, so here we are again. We're looking at another couple of houses. This house is on a pretty steep hill and there's a lot of stairs going up there, but there's also a side door. It's pretty cold outside, so we're gonna head in. I counted the stairs. I think it's around 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 stairs.
6 stairs per year.
Well, there's a lot of stairs. 17 stairs. And this is just, a little look of the neighborhood. You can see it's a pretty far way down. All right, so let's head in. Let's see what the doorbell sounds like. Doorbell. All right. So here we are. The first thing that we're going to see is the stairs leading up. But if we go over to the left side, this is, I guess this can be a living area. Yeah, this is the living area. Smells nice in here, actually. Smells quite nice. I like this window. Again, I forget, is it called like bay windows? The ones that kind of angle out. I do like those. And if you look to the right of the door, this is, I guess, the dining room area. So it's got the low hanging light. This is the lowest hanging light that I have seen in any house. I mean, wham! I just knocked myself out, but that's okay. Table goes under here, and it also has the same kind of windows on this side as well. Here is the kitchen. Ooh, I like this kitchen. This kitchen's kind of spacey. This kind of from right here. We got some wood floors. We've got gas burning stove. You know how much I love the gas burning stoves and how much I prefer. Cabinetry. Not bad. It's not new, but it's not bad.
Washer and dryer.
Not bad. Washer and dryer. Washer and dryer hookups right there. Yeah, baby. No more going outside or no more going in the garage for us. All right, let's go back over here and look at the kitchen. Does anything pass the cereal box test?
Probably not.
Probably not. That's okay. So we got, there you go, sink, individual shooter. These sinks are not as deep as the sinks that we have. And, everyone's got the Frigidaire. Everyone's got the Frigidaire. No ice maker. That's cool. Here's the backyard. Let's look out here real quick. I'm going to look out in the backyard. This is the backyard, and it is fenced. I like that. Not only is it fenced, but we kind of got some concrete along the left side, too. But we are fenced in. I love that. Most of the backyards that we see, all you do is just, walk into someone's backyard from here. And got a little bit of berries right there. I wouldn't eat them, but they're there. By the way, joining us in this journey, I got to get Emberlyn on camera. She's sleeping. She's been a good girl this entire time. We've been doing a lot of driving today. She's accompanying us. And yeah, this is back to that living area. And then over here is the bathroom. This is the half bath. I think this place has 2.5 bathrooms. So this is the half bath right here. And in this door, it's a closet. Kind of a little, you can walk in, it's a little walk-in closet, It's pretty cool. And we got one more door to check out. This one right here, which leads to the basement. What? Let's go downstairs. There's a basement down here. There's the light. Ooh. Who's in my house? Oh, God. So, yeah, this is a bit of a finished basement. It's a whole nother room down here. And you know what I'm going to say? If this were our house, this will be my recording space. Look at all those outlets all around. And they even ran cable down here, so, if you want to put a TV, here's your cable. Yeah. Here's your coax right there. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. That's probably to the garage. There are 2 rooms in this basement. Wow, look at that. Got some piping right here, but the knob fell off. That's cool, whatever. And then in here, all your appliances and whatnot. And there's your under the stairs crawl space. A lot of room down here. Wow, I thought this would be to the garage, but no, this is... And in this part, it's not the nicest. We got some weird blood splatter. down here.
Put too much stuff in here, but you could put like.
Yeah, you can put some storage in there. You know, someone was murdered down here, as you can see. We got some blood splatter, and you know, who knows, man? Maybe some guy was a hunter and he drug his deer down here or something. And inside this door is to the outside, to the outside. Cool. All right, cool. So you start off right here, and you could just take the steps on up, or if you don't want to take those stairs, you can just come in through this door and come in through the basement. Now that we're back upstairs, we still have to go upstairs. Don't worry. All right, so going up these stairs, first thing that we come to is one of the full baths. It's not a large bathroom, but it gets the job done. It's a pretty deep tub, shower head, you know, basic stuff. Here I am. And to the left is one of the rooms. This is a pretty decent sized room. This might be the master. It might be the master. Yeah, here's the other bathroom. This is the master. It's not a huge master. It's all right. But in here, look at that walk-in closet. My wife loves that. She loves, I mean, this is like, you can take a good 5 steps in there. 3 to 5 steps. And then over here is a little side room. Not a big room, but whatever. Still nice. Open up this door, just a little sliding closet. Oh yeah, you got shelving on this side too. Cool. And lastly, here's another door. Open her up and there's another bedroom.
Is this one bigger?
It feels like it's bigger than the one that we just saw. It feels like it. And then in here is another closet. Yeah. Yeah, this one has a window. It's also technically it's a walk-in closet because I walked in. Yeah.
With a window. What's a window in a closet?
A lot of natural light.
This one's oriented differently, but it is.
Yeah, it's just the way that it's shaped. But, you know, it works. It works.
Cat could come in here and she can go in there.
Mm-hmm. But, yeah, and then down here is just the stairs. So let's go back down on the first floor. I like this house. I like this house. It checks all the boxes that we were looking for. It's got the walk-in closet. It has a basement, which I wasn't expecting, much larger than I thought. Whatever this is, what is this? AT&T broadband they had. But yeah, this is pretty nice. So there's the baby. We got another place to look at, and it's actually in this exact same neighborhood. So we're gonna check it out. But so far, this house is quite nice. All right, so had a little bit of an audio difficulty when I got in here, so I'm recording this for the second time. So anyway, this is the house when we first walk in, and the first thing that you're going to see is the closet to the, the closet where you put all your coats and stuff. And then over here on the right, this is going to be the living room area, and it's just separated from the dining room area like that. The TV would go right over there. There's where the coax is. And then this is like the little dedicated dining area that's attached to the kitchen. So when we go into the kitchen, see, like, it's not as much counter space as the last house. And by the way, this house is about $70 less a month than the one that we saw previous. And they also got a special where you get a month's rent free if you sign up for 13 months. So the quality ain't gonna be as good as the last house. And you know, we got gas burning stoves here. I kind of do like the angle, and that's kind of like a theme with this house. There's some angles everywhere, but not a lot of counter space to really do what you need to do. This seems like the type of kitchen that would be cool with like with an island or something that you can kind of put like off in the corner or something. I don't know, just so you can give yourself a little bit more space, or maybe even just put it right there in the middle. Here is the dishwasher. And of course, Frigidaire, keeping the appliance game on lock. It's everywhere you want to be and everywhere you go. Here's a pleasant surprise. The washer and dryer hookups are right here, just like in the last house. And I was worried about that because I thought that maybe the washer and dryer hookups would be in the garage, which is what we have now in our house. And we don't like that. We don't like having to go into the cold in the summer, spider-laden garage to do our laundry. But this place passes the cereal box test because you got a pantry right there. You can put all the boxes and all the everything inside there. So that's the kitchen. This has 2.5 baths, just like the last one. You open up this door, there's one of the half bathrooms right there, little oval sink. And this was a surprise to me as well. Through this door here, opened it up, we got ourselves another basement. Or do we? Do we really have another basement? Well, I'm going to tell you no, because this is the second time that I recorded this, so I can tell you this is not the basement. This is the garage. And, you know, it's a bit unfinished. It's unfinished, you know, wood right here. But it's a one-car garage. That's where your car would go. It looks like they were doing something right here to kind of, I don't know, maybe like make this space dedicated to something. I don't know. But this is not, you know, where I would start recording videos or anything like that, because this is just a garage. So yeah, it's like halfway finished. And there's like cobwebs and, you know, evidence of spiders all over that place. So, you know, it's a typical garage. Not too thrilled with it. Really like the last house because that was a finished basement and it offered up plenty of space. All right, so let's walk back over here. Turn to the left, we got stairs. Stairs leading up, this is where the other bedrooms are going to be, as well as the other bathrooms. It's quite a few stairs. All right, so here we are. This is the first bathroom. And, you know, I really wish that they had done more with this. It's not a bad bathroom. It's not bad, but it's not as good as the one that we're currently in, and it's not as good as the last house. So, you know, it's meh. And that's kind of how I feel about the house in general. This is the master bedroom. Not as big as the master we saw, not as big as the master we currently have, but it is here. This is a type of walk-in closet. I mean, it is a walk-in closet, but you know, it's not as deep. Can't do so much with it. And then here's the ensuite master bathroom, which again, I'm disappointed. I mean, you can just kind of see, you know, the age, see the wear. And again, it's not terrible. It's not terrible. You know, it's just, I just can't explain it, you know. I think it's disappointment, and especially coming off that last house, which is like literally like 3 doors down. And here are the other bedrooms, the side rooms. It's cable ready everywhere, you know, which is good if you want to hook up some cable. And like I said, this definitely has like an angular theme to it. And it makes me wonder if these rooms are bigger or smaller than the rooms that we have now. I don't know, because of this angle. It could be throwing things off. Like if I were to try to recreate my recording setup, like right here, it would pretty much be, man, this room might be smaller than my other room when I think about it. Well, the bottom line is, it's not very large. But this closet does go a little bit deeper than I thought that it would. So you got some room for a little bit of storage right there. And just like the other room, you know, it's cable ready. There you go with your coax cable. So that's pretty much, that's the upstairs. And that's all that there is to see on the upstairs. And that's the house. Again, $70 less, and this house is actually cheaper than what we currently pay, and it's closer to our jobs. So that's a plus. Lacking in quality in some areas. Can't really ding the garage for being a garage. You know, I wish it was finished, but it's not, but it is what it is. Kitchen lacks the counter space. Feel like you can't do too much in the kitchen. But, you know, I like the separate dining area, gives you a little bit more space. Living room, not all that big, but, you know, it's hard. It's hard because it is a bit of a bargain, but it is what it is. And that is all of the house searching reconnaissance that we are going to do today. Oh, yeah, I'm going to put in right now, here's a view of the backyard. And it's not really a backyard. It's really more of a, well, it's just outside. You got a little bit of concrete separation, and all you can really do is look out into the street to cars and other people's houses. And you got a deck, you got a wooden deck. You can set some stuff up here if you wanted to, if you want to have like a little barbecue grill or something, but you know, not really something that you would go out and really do anything with besides just sitting, because there's really nothing to see. On the plus side, I don't have much to mow, but yeah, again, that last house was just, whew, head and shoulders above this place. But again, it's not bad, but you know, as usual, let me know what you think of these two houses. And I'll keep looking, and maybe come next week, we'll find something else to look at. So until then, talk to you later.